Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your video content with Vimeo privacy settings, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to vimeo.com. Log in to your Vimeo account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, locate and click on the Videos tab on the top navigation bar. Choose the video you want to secure from your collection. Click on the video title to open the video settings page. Look for the Settings button, usually located below the video player. Select the Privacy tab from the options on the left side. Here, you'll find various privacy options for your video. To restrict visibility, consider selecting only people with a password for maximum security. If you want to share the video with specific people, set up a password and share it selectively. Alternatively, you can choose only on sites. I choose if you want to embed the video on specific domains only. Enter the approved domains in the provided field. You can also select Hide this video from Vimeo.com to keep it completely private. If your video will be included in a showcase, choose Allow Downloads or Disable Downloads based on your preference. After configuring your settings, scroll down and click the Save button to apply your changes. Return to your video page to ensure the settings are correctly displayed. Perform a quick test by trying to access the video with the chosen privacy restrictions. That's it. Your video content is now secured with Vimeo privacy settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.